to the Speak English Easy channel. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing.
Yes, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Easy. I am Alex.
And I am Jamie. Hello. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today, we have a very important topic. We are talking about English at work.
Yes, many of you work in offices, shops, or companies. You want to speak to your colleagues professionally.
But before we start, we want to know about you. We are a community here.
Yes, please tell us in the comments right now. What is your job?
It is good practice. Write a simple sentence. For example, I am a teacher. Or, I work in a bank. Or, I am a driver.
Pause the audio and write your comment now. We love reading about your lives.
Also, if you like this lesson, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, subscribing helps us create more free lessons for you. Thank you for your support.
Okay, let's go to the office.
Imagine it is 9 a.m. You arrive at work. What do you say?
Usually, people just say, good morning. But we want to be friendly, right?
Right. A friendly connection is important. So we can ask a simple question. How was your weekend?
Oh, I like that. How was your weekend? It is simple, but it shows you care.
Let's listen to a short conversation. Alex is arriving at the office. Listen carefully.
Good morning, Jamie.
Good morning, Alex. How was your weekend?
It was good, thanks. I relaxed at home. And yours?
It was great. I went to the park.
Did you hear that? It was very natural. Let's look at the key phrases. First, Alex asked, how was your weekend?
Weekend is Saturday and Sunday. How asks if it was good or bad.
Now you try. Repeat after me. How was your weekend? Good job! And look at Jamie's answer. He said, it was good, thanks.
Short and clear. You don't need a long story. You can say, it was good, or it was relaxing.
Or, if you are tired, you can say, it was too short.
Oh, yes, that is a very real answer. It was too short.
Listen to the conversation one more time. Good morning, Jamie.
Good morning, Alex. How was your weekend?
It was good, thanks. I relaxed at home. And yours?
It was great. I went to the park.
Okay, Alex. But sometimes the morning goes wrong. Sometimes you are late.
Oh no, being late is stressful. The bus is late or there is traffic.
It happens to everyone. But you must apologize. You must say sorry.
The best phrase is, sorry I am late.
And usually we give a small reason, like traffic was bad. Let's listen.
Hi, Alex. You are late for the meeting.
I am so sorry I'm late. The bus was delayed.
That is okay. Please sit down.
See? Simple and polite. Sorry I am late.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Sorry, I am late.
Very good. And if your boss is nice, they will say, no problem.
Okay, let's move to a scary topic. The telephone.
Oh, the telephone is difficult. You cannot see the person's face.
Yes, many students are afraid of the phone, but we have a formula.
When you answer the phone at work, you should say your name.
Say, hello, this is Jamie.
Or, hello, Speak English Easy, Alex speaking.
And what if the person asks for someone who is not there.
You use the magic phrase, "Can I take a message?"
This is very helpful. It means, tell me the information and I will write it down.
Let's listen to a phone call.
Ring ring.
Hello, this is Alex.
Hi, can I speak to Sarah?
I am sorry, she is at lunch. Can I take a message?
Yes, please tell her to call Jamie.
Okay, I will tell her. Goodbye.
Alex was very professional. He said, can I take a message?
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Can I take a message?
Can I take a message?
Perfect. Now you don't need to be afraid of the phone.
Okay, let's go back to the meeting room. Sometimes you don't understand what people say.
This is a very important situation. Sometimes a colleague speaks very fast.
Yes, they speak fast, or they use difficult words. You don't understand.
Do you just smile and nod?
No, please don't do that. It can be dangerous at work. You need to ask them to repeat.
We have a polite phrase for this. Could you say that again, please?
That is perfect. Let's listen to an example. Please send the quarterly report to the marketing team by Tuesday noon.
I'm sorry, Jamie. Could you say that again?
Sure. Please send the report by Tuesday.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
This is very useful. Alex did not understand me, so he asked for help.
I said, I'm sorry. This is polite. Then I said, could you say that again?
Let's practice this. It is a little long, so we will break it down.
I say, could you? Could you? Now, say that again. Say that again.
Now, the whole sentence. Could you say that again?
You are doing great.
Another easy phrase is, could you speak slowly, please?
Yes, speak slowly. This helps you understand better.
Now, in that same meeting, maybe you want to speak. You have an idea.
But you are shy. How do you give an opinion?
You can use the phrase, I think.
Or, in my opinion.
Let's keep it simple. If you like an idea, say, I think that is good.
Or if you agree with a colleague, say, I agree with Jamie.
Let's listen.
We should change the website color to blue.
I agree with Alex. Blue is professional.
Short and strong. I agree.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I agree.
Repeat, I think that is good.
Excellent. Now, let's talk about scheduling.
This means picking a time to meet.
We use the question, are you free?
For example, are you free on Tuesday?
Or, are you free at 2 p.m.?
If you are free, you say, yes, that works for me.
If you are busy, you say, sorry, I am booked then.
Booked means busy. Let's listen.
Alex, we need to talk. Are you free on Tuesday at 2 p.m.?
Sorry, Jamie, I am booked then. How about 3 p.m.?
Yes, 3 p.m. works for me. See you then.
This is a negotiation. We found a time.
Let's practice asking. Repeat after me. Are you free?
On Tuesday?
Are you free on Tuesday?
Great. Now let's talk about emails. We write many emails.
Sometimes you send an email, but the person does not reply.
You need to check if they saw it. You can say, "Did you get my email?"
Or, if you are sending a file, you say, "I sent you the file."
Let's listen to a quick chat at the computer. "Alex, I sent you the budget file. Did you get it?"
Let me check. Yes, I got it. Thanks.
Simple. Did you get it?
Repeat after me. Did you get my email?
Very useful. Now let's talk about when you are sick.
Oh, this is important. You wake up, you have a fever. You cannot go to work.
You must call your boss. You say, "I am not feeling well."
And then you say, "I am taking a sick day."
Let's listen. "Hello, Jamie.
Hi, Alex. You sound terrible.
Yes, I am not feeling well. I cannot come in today."
Oh, no. Please stay home and rest. Feel better.
I said, "I cannot come in today."
This is clear. Repeat after me. I am not feeling well.
Good. Ideally, you don't need this phrase, but it is good to know.
Now let's move to a new section, talking about stress and busyness.
This is important because work can be difficult. Sometimes you are tired.
Yes, you want to tell your colleague that you have too much work.
You can say, "I am very busy today."
Or if you have too many tasks, you say, "I have a lot on my plate."
Oh, I like that phrase. On my plate. It is an idiom. It means I have many tasks to do.
Let's listen to a conversation about stress.
Jamie, can you help me with this project?
I am sorry, Alex. I have a lot on my plate right now.
Oh, I understand. Good luck.
Thanks. Maybe next week?
Did you hear that? Jamie said no, but he was polite.
I said, I have a lot on my plate.
Let's practice that phrase. Repeat after me. I have a lot on my plate.
Now the full sentence. I have a lot on my plate.
Excellent. This is a very professional way to say you are busy.
Now let's talk about the opposite, helping a colleague.
Yes, being a good team member.
If you see your friend is busy, you can offer help.
You can say, "Do you need a hand?"
Hand means help here. Do you need a hand?
Or simply, "Can I help you with anything?"
Let's listen. There is so much work today.
Hey, Jamie, do you need a hand?
Really? Yes, please. Can you copy these papers?
Sure, no problem.
Alex is a very nice colleague. He asked, "Do you need a hand?"
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Do you need a hand?
Do you need a hand?
Very good. People love it when you ask this.
Now let's talk about problems. Small problems.
Oh, like when the printer is broken?
Exactly. Or the internet is slow. Or you need a pen.
We need the phrase, "is there," or "do you have."
Let's start with borrowing something. You need a pen. You ask your colleague.
You can say, "Do you have a pen?"
But let's make it more polite. Do you have a pen I can borrow?
Borrow means to take it for a short time and give it back later.
Let's listen.
Jamie, do you have a pen I can borrow? Mine is empty.
Sure. Here you go.
Thanks. I will give it back later.
Notice the question, do you have a pen?
Repeat after me. Do you have a pen?
Now let's try a different object. Maybe a charger for your phone.
Do you have a charger?
Perfect. And what if you just need help? Not an object, but help.
You can say, "Do you have a minute?"
Oh, that is a very good phrase. Do you have a minute? It means, can you help me quickly?
Let's listen to that.
Alex, do you have a minute?
Yes, sure. What do you need?
Can you help me with this document?
No problem.
This phrase, do you have a minute,
is very respectful. It asks if the person is busy.
Repeat after me. Do you have a minute?
Good. Use this before you ask a question. It is polite office culture.
Now, let's talk about lunch. Lunch is a great time to practice English.
Yes, your colleague might ask you to eat.
They might say, "Do you want to get lunch?"
Or simply, lunch?
If you want to go, you say, "Sure, let's go."
If you are busy, you must say no politely. You can say, "Sorry, I brought my lunch today."
Or, "Sorry, I am very busy right now."
Let's hear a lunch conversation.
Jamie, do you want to get lunch?
Sorry, Alex, I am very busy right now. Maybe tomorrow?
No problem. See you later.
I said, maybe tomorrow. This is nice. It means I want to spend time with you, but not today.
It keeps the friendship open. Repeat after me. Maybe tomorrow?
Excellent. Now you have phrases for the morning, the telephone, meetings, emails, scheduling, and lunch.
We have covered so much today.
Let's do a big review. We will mix all the situations.
Okay, listeners, are you ready? I will say a sentence. You guess the best reply.
Situation 1. I speak very fast. Blah, 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 blah. You don't understand. What do you ask me?
Did you say, "Could you say that again?" Good job.
Situation 2. The phone rings. You pick it up. What do you say?
Did you say, "Hello, this is your name?" Perfect.
Situation 3. You want to ask if I am free on Friday. How do you ask?
You ask, "Are you free on Friday?"
Situation 4. You are sick and cannot work. What do you tell your boss?
You say, "I am not feeling well."
Situation 5. I ask you, do you have a minute? You are free. What do you say?
You can say, "Yes, sure."
You are improving already. Remember, speaking is about practice. It does not need to be perfect.
That is all for today's episode of Speak English Easy.
We hope you feel more confident for your job tomorrow.
We have one more request for you in the comments.
If you didn't write your job earlier, please write it now.
Practice this sentence. I am, job title, and I start work at time.
For example, I am a manager and I start work at 8 a.m.
Or, I am a student and I start at 9 a.m.
We will reply to your comments.
And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more English lessons. It really helps us.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing and have a great day at work.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.